My name is Harsh Yadav. I'm from Delhi,
I'm Mohan-Priya. I'm from Bangalore.
and in the past few months, I had a great opportunity to work as an HR executive.
I worked as a CRM System Admin Intern.
I got hands-on experience using Zoho Recruit, Zoho Sites, Zoho Meet, which helped me streamline various HR processes.
I had an opportunity to work for real-world business use cases in Zoho suite of products such as Zoho People, Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory.
Responsibilities included onboarding candidates and reviewing application during their performances, which gave me a practical understanding of the HR processes.
So during this internship journey, I understand how Zoho transforms effectively the business process for small, medium-sized enterprise
One
organizations.
of the biggest takeaways from the internship was gaining real life experience in HR. I'd like to sincerely thank Devika ma'am for being so helpful and guiding me throughout the internship.
And a huge thanks to our Abhyaz director Shashi ma'am and other mentors who gave me the opportunity to work on the Zoho platform.
I'd highly recommend Abhyaz Technologies. It's a great place to learn, grow in your field. Overall, my experience in Abhyaz was extremely positive, and I'm grateful for learning opportunity.
Thank you, Abhyaz.
And thank you.